Welcome to 3800 Plowden Road, apartment D5. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 2-story townhome style apartment is located in the Rosewood area in Southeast Columbia, near I-77, USC, Fort Jackson, and a quick commute to downtown. So we're out front. You can see you have a covered front entry here. There's common area parking to the rear. And as we enter, come into the foyer, and then immediately to your right of where the stairs go up, the kitchen on your right side. And you can see it's also open to the dining area and living room through there as well. So in here you have wood cabinets, an included electric stove, refrigerator. You have a window there looking out towards the front. And as you can see, again, open to the dining area here. You can see the fixture and the change in flooring. And then right off of the dining room, you also have a laundry closet, full-size washer and dryer connections. There's some shelving above, and those close off with 2x4 doors. And again, that dining area. And then immediately behind me, open to the dining area, you have your living room. You see a nice size. And the sliding door out to the covered back patio. And there's sort of a common area back here. And then you do have a storage closet here as well. So back inside, we'll go upstairs. Take a look there. You have 2 bedrooms. They do share a full bath off the hall, so right back at the front door. Carpeting up the stairs and on the 2nd level. So this bedroom faces the back of the property. See a nice sized room. It is the at least slightly larger of the two. Has 2 closets sort of side by side here. A large window there. Then it comes out, as you see, to the hall, attic access. There's a linen closet there as well in the hallway. And you do have a full bathroom. So you can see the shower and tub. And the sink and lighting there. And then your 2nd bedroom. Faces out to the front. And the closet in here is sort of a walk-in, a bit deeper than standard. So you do have some more floor space in there for extra storage. So that completes our tour of this home, 3800 Plowden Road, apartment D2. You can find out more information by visiting our website, turnerproperties.com.